Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert mono to stereo tracks in Audacity. So let's get started. At first, open Audacity and import the mono audio file you want to convert to stereo. Now, duplicate the mono track by clicking Edit and duplicate from the menu. Now go to Select and click on All to highlight the audio files. Click on this arrow icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Make a Stereo Track. Okay, that's it. Now you have the stereo tracks. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.